lang po yung safe na pwede niyang i-share sa amin sa photos?
Well, pinag-usapan na namin yung mga possibilities. That's it. If we ever do receive the articles of impeachment, then we discuss the preparations that we need to do. Ganon. So, member naman ng minority present, so he is asked to relate to the other members of the minority kung ano yung mga suggestions. But again, all these suggestions and preparations and possibilities of timing is depending on whether the articles of impeachment reach the Senate. That's number one. And number two, if it does, then we will have to sit down officially to do that. Pati yung schedule na sinasabi namin na probabilities.
So, loose schedule
Lahat yan, wala pa. As soon as we receive it, then that's the time that we will officially decide on what to do for the timing. Definitely, there's one thing for sure. Once we receive it, we will convene the following day as a impeachment court. If we do receive it,
Sir, the recent decision of SC on the forthwith said hindi kailangan agad-agad depending on the need. Pero sa inyo, sir, what does
Look,
does forthwith mean?
I think the Supreme Court decision is based on the petition. It is hindi naman sumasaklaw yung decision niya sa trabaho ng Senado. It doesn't have anything to do with the work of the Senate. We're a co-equal of branch. That's why tama yung decision nila. Pero as far as that petition that was filed to them is concerned, not on the way the Senate is conducting itself.
But as far as
And in this case, if ever we do receive the articles of impeachment, we will act on it forthwith. Sa akin, ang forthwith the following day.
the following day. Whatever day that is, the following day.
Yes.
Sir, lumabas doon sa impeachment, ano ba na pag-usapan nyo kanina? Yung tungkol doon sa agenda nyo next month?
Well, gagawa na listahan. Gagawa kami ng mga listahan ng mga priorities pa namin.
SP on
Kung ano pa, at saka based on the LEDAC, based on the legislative executive agenda.
So, ilan na lang ba natitira doon sa LEDAC na kailangan nyo patakbo?
May 17 pa eh. 17 pa eh. Kaya medyo matrabaho pa.
SP on the preps, in-advise niyo ba sila na brush up on the rules of law, rules of court, mag-review na?
It was incumbent upon most of us naman na pinag-uusapan na yun ang gagawin. May kanya-kanya mga briefing yan. Ganyan.
Sir, yung sa logistics lang, SP, aside from the robes, ano pa po ang gastusin for the impeachment court if ever
Siyempre, dito sa venue, yung pagkain, yung mga security measures, mga ganun lang. Hindi naman masyadong... We will make sure that, the chairman of the Committee on Accounts will make sure that everything will be in order.
Will you allow the public to come
Yes.
inside the plenary and view it?
Yes, of course.
Talaga?
Live stream, public, open to public.
SP from the minority, wala pa naman nag-express ng contention sa possible impeachment.
Wala naman. Ando naman si Robin. Okay naman.
Sir, may
Okay,
tanong
okay.
sino po yung mga present? Complete po ang majority.
Hindi rin. Umalis si Camille. Pero we're relaying to their
Ilan po
to
kayo
her.
kanina, sir?
Tapos sila... Merong picture si Migs.
Ayun,
sige, sir.
sinignan
Sige
nila.
po. Okay po. Sir, ilang
Pero may
minority?
nadagdag dumating si Pia at saka si Si Pia at saka si Robin nadagdag doon sa
Senator
picture.
Marcoleta was there, SP?
Wala eh. Pero si Robin will relate to him yung mga napag-usapan.
But the minority bloc was invited.
Of course,
You
it's
invited them?
all Senator caucus.
May pasabi po ba bakit hindi nakapunta yung iba?
Wala eh. Walang nasabi.
SP, another caucus pag inakyat ng HOR. Tama ba? Articles of impeachment. Uupo kayo ulit to meet.
yeah.
Sir, spokesperson, will you mag-ano pa?
Yes, pag-iisipan namin kung sino pwede.
Senator din, SP?
Hindi siguro. Hindi siguro magiging busy mga senador eh.
Okay, thank you.